Okay, there you go. Grabe, ang hirap humanap ng lighting. Perfect lighting. Okay, go. Game. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today another makeup review I have for you guys, and actually I'm on my way to work, so it's kind of like a review slash get ready with me as well. And or no, not get ready with me na lang kasi masyadong matagal. I don't have enough time because I need to leave 12 o'clock. So let's make this quick and let's get started. I watched some reviews and they say a lot of good things about this foundation, and it's one of and what I'm talking about is the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour fresh look long wear foundation. Before we start, let me just put some lip balm because I cannot okay. There you go. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. I'm in the shade 32. Oops, focus. I'm in the shade 32, which is golden, and at the back you can see the claims of the product, which is, I'll just read it for you guys: non-color shifting, dulling or fading, breathable and comfortable, non-transfer, won't rub off, and it's dermatologist tested, and the size is 30 ml, which is the normal size or content of every foundation. I'm just going to put at the back of my hand one pump. It has a thick consistency. I would say it's not runny at all. Okay, but before anything else, let's check the status the condition of my face. Okay, still going on the dark spots on the chin area, which is being there, but I feel like it's starting to get light, and some redness on the cheeks, of course, eye bags, and what else we can see. Here I have, I don't know what's this one. I don't know where I get this, or it just developed on my skin. I have like a dark patch, is that what you call it? But yeah, I have dark something in there on the side and in here as well. I don't know what is that. I don't know where did I get it. So yeah. And as usual, if you are new to my channel, we will put on one side of our face first so we can just compare. I'm just going to buff it. It gives you that comfortable feeling, and it dries up fast, but at the same time it gives you space. What's that? What's with me? What's wrong with me today? It gives you the time to blend, and you know how some foundation that once you put it on your face, it dries up and you cannot blend it. So I'll zoom you in so we can compare the one with foundation and the one without. And as you all know, but if you are new to my channel, we don't use primer when we are reviewing a foundation because we want to test out the performance of the foundation itself. So as you can see, it gives that very fine finish, and I like how it minimized the appearance of my pores as compared to this side. And even though that it has a matte finish, it doesn't make your skin too dry. and still give you that little glow on your face. It covers the dark spots on the side there. I will just finish the rest of my face and I will be right back. If you are comfortable if you are comfortable if you are comfortable using beauty sponge, you can do so, but of course, you know me, still my personal preference will be using a brush. So yeah. And you know what, guys, another plus factor for this foundation is that even though you are building the coverage, it doesn't give you that patchy or breaking finish. It just blends well on your skin, and that's what I like, because with other matte foundations, once that you build the coverage, it turns out it ruined the first layer that you apply. But with this, it just all blends together, so that is amazing. That is a plus factor. So it's now 11:58 a.m. and I will just check in later. I'll update you guys with this foundation. And yeah, I didn't manage to put eyeshadow on because I'm really running late. So I'll see you again later. Bye. Okay, so hello guys. Let's do time check. It's now 5:45 p.m. and it's almost 6 hours that I'm wearing the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour fresh look foundation, and this is what it looks like. I'll show it to you guys in a natural lighting, which is, yeah, maybe like this in here. So as you can see, I still look fresh but just oily on the T-zone area, which is just normal for me. And yeah, no pimple marks peeking through yet. So far I am liking this foundation and I don't have any problem. And yeah, that is my update for now. I will give you my final update and final thoughts later when I get home. See ya! Okay! Oh my gosh, I'm so oily. Okay, what's the time now? Maybe can I borrow your phone? Okay guys, time check. It's now 9:45 p.m. It's 10 hours of wearing the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour fresh look foundation, and this is what my face looks like. Initial reaction, of course, is so obvious. I am so oily. So what we're going to do is I am just going to get my oil control film, and let's blot first. Okay, let's see how many oil we can get on my face. Start with the T-zone. Okay, wow, that is wow. Okay. Wow, you see that? So this is how much oil I got from my face. So yes, I am that oily. So after blotting, this is what my face looks like, and it is still looks so amazing. You know what guys, out of all the drugstore foundation that I've tried, this is the only one I think that even if you oil up, it doesn't mess up your life. You know what I mean? Do I make sense? You know what I mean, right? Like, even if you oil up, it will still look okay on your face. Like, you will not look like a hot mess. So that's a good point. And what really amazed me out of all the drugstore foundations, like Maybelline Fit Me, L'Oreal Infallible, L'Oreal True Match, and yeah, I think that's it. This is the only one that didn't cling on my laugh line. See? No signs, no mark. You see that? Nada. Nothing. It's clear and it looks so smooth. And even on my forehead, see? None. In here, none. No clinginess, no separation happened. It's amazing. I'll show you some clips of the foundation that I reviewed in the past, and that's the first thing that I always notice, my laugh line. 5 hours of wearing the Infallible and Maybelline Fit Me. So far, eto yung face natin. Halatang halata nyo in natural lighting ang ating laugh line. Yan, mapapasin yung guhit na siya. Bubuo-buo na dyan yung foundation. Ang kabilang side, meron din pero hindi ganun ka-visible as compared to dito. Sa nose, hindi ko pa naman kailangan mag-blot, di pa naman masyadong oily. And sa forehead, ayan, oops. Forehead, ganun din. Medyo may nagbubuo-buo din sa part na to. So, yan. And to be honest guys, this is not the first time that I've used this foundation. This is not a first impression review, and I will show you how amazing and incredible this foundation. I'll show you some clips where I used and wear it. I wore this while at the gym. I know, judge me. I know I shouldn't have to, but I just wanted to test out if this foundation will work on hot temperature and in a sweaty situation. So yeah, it works. Downside of this foundation, I cannot think of any. Oil control, I would say that is something that can be fixed. Knowing that I didn't use any primer today, but it still looks so amazing and incredible. I don't know, I cannot stop saying how amazing this foundation is, but it's really that good. And so yeah, oil control is something that primer and setting spray can fix, so I am totally fine with that. Coverage wise, for me, it's A+. Buildable, yes. And long wearing, super long wearing. And the best and important part for me is that it doesn't cling, patchy, or separate on my face. So I highly recommend this one. I don't know if this will replace my L'Oreal True Match foundation, but so far, good job Maybelline, very good job. Maybe I will do a foundation face off on my next video. Let me know if you want me to do that. And so yeah, if you like this video, of course, don't forget to like and share your thoughts. Comment down below if you've tried this foundation. And if you have questions, just comment down below. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below as well. And yeah, share this to your friends. And don't forget to, of course, subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. Bye!